So this is a video I'm doing today for a project that I'm going to be taking to make a central in Birmingham on the 11th and 12th of May, and the next few weeks projects will be all stuff that I'll be taking with me for you to have a look at. And this has just a little bit of wood in it, I think, and a bit of aluminium honeycomb. It's just going to be a very small lidded box. Not a great big project, but I just thought it would be nice just to do another one of these little boxes. So I hope you enjoy. Probably most of it will be in time lapse, and yeah, I'll come back at the end and we'll have a look at see what it looks like.
Does it take to be happy? How many times do you have to feel lonely before you get the chance to meet someone, before you get to meet someone like you? How many songs can you write about heartbreak? How to go when you're fed up with mistakes? Maybe I just found the answers. Maybe I just found the answers in you. Come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand, you're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh, 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 ooh. Take me away. I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me. All of my scars start to heal when I'm with you, and I can't explain how I feel when I'm with you. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me. Together, let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand, you're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh, 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 okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Baby, I just found the answers. Baby, I just found the answers in you.
Pop back. I'm going to finish this. I'm not wanting to do a CA finish or anything on this, because to be honest I just quite like the natural look of the wood. So I'm going to be using Yorkshire grit and the Yorkshire grit microfine for finishing, and then I'll probably use a wax on the inside, maybe the Wood Wax 22. I may well use on the inside and the outside.
If you're gone, I'll take it as a sign. But if you stay, then baby hold me tight and send me off with the words of a lullaby.
Okay, that's the bottom parted off. It's just got a little nub there. I'm going to clean this up, sand it, and I'll repeat the process that I did with this, with the Yorkshire grit and the microfine. It'll be the same with the inside of the box. I shall sand that off and finish it with Yorkshire grit microfine, and then we will be ready to get to the buffing stage.